Hello friends, I am your teacher Ankit in Aanav Creations in Digital Marketing Season 2. So yesterday we have learnt about the search campaigns for mobile. Now these search campaigns we have to show on the mobile phones in the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. and of course on Instagram also. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Come on. Welcome back friends, as you all know the topic is display campaigns on mobile phone. So let's talk about the display ads on the mobile devices. People spend a lot of time on their mobile phones these days. So it's important to think through how your display ads work on their devices. Display advertising can help you achieve a lot of different goals like finding new customers or building a brand for you. Display advertisements are all about capturing the attention of people browsing content online. That holds true in the mobile world as well, but there are few important differences to consider. Let's start with the size. Think about all of different types of mobile devices out there. You have got smartphones, large and small, tablets, phablets and smartwatches. And who knows what new devices will be popular in a year or two for you. With so many different devices being used, it's safe to say that one size fits all approach to display ads is not going to work. Just think about it, you might have an ad that is super engaging on a tablet but it's oversized or awkward on a similar mobile, or an ad that's perfect for a mobile but does not capture the attention of a tablet user. So if you want your display ads to be successful on mobile, you are going to need to experiment a bit. Try to find the right combination of ad formats to use. Fit the devices your audience is using. This will give you a really good opportunity to dramatically increase the size of your display campaigns. And here is some great good news for you. If you are using the Google Ads platform to run your ads, you can use the free Google Ad Gallery to quickly create professionally looking display ads in all shapes and sizes. Just like normal display ad campaigns, mobile display campaigns can be targeted very easily to the audience you are trying to reach based on their interests. That's true whether you are using Google Ads or other mobile advertising networks like InMobi. For example, if you are a real estate agent, you might target people who are looking at websites that focus on property reviews. What's unique about the mobile world is you are not limited to showing your ads on website. You can go a step further and show your ads on mobile apps as well. Apps have become a huge part of how people spend their time on their mobiles, so it's more important than ever to include mobile apps in your display ad approach. If this seems complicated, don't worry, we are going to take you through it now. Remember our earlier examples. We showed how your mobile display ads might target websites that offer reviews, right? Well, it's quite similar to the apps for you. You can target specific apps that are relevant to your business. Perhaps ones that provide reviews, help information or property related to content. So when people are using those kinds of apps, your ad can appear. By including apps in your mobile display approach, you can reach even more potential customers. Let's do a bit of recap. Display ads on mobile are evolving rapidly as new technologies reshape the landscape, etc. There are multiple mobile and ad networks that you can use, such as Google Ads or InMobi. A display strategy that does not include mobile is incomplete because mobile is such a huge part of people's lives. And a mobile display strategy that does not include app is also incomplete for the exact same reason. Fortunately, it's easy to experiment with the different ad formats and targeting options so that you can find out what works best for you in the digital marketing. So I hope you like this video. If you have any query, just put the comments in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a good day.